Here at QSS, we're an open wheel specialist. We are a national dealer for driven race oil products. We are a Queensland distributor for Hoosier race tires, and we also sell Eagle and Stallard chassis. Please, won't you go with us and check out the rest of our shop.
Here at Queensland Speedway Spares, we are privileged to be the national distributor for driven oils. From professional race engine builders to weekend warriors like this guy, who highly recommend driven oils.
We are also Queensland's Hoosier race tire dealer, as we carry tires for your sprint cars to your Formula 500s, and we also carry tires for your sedan classes. Our sister shop, Performance Wholesale, also carries race tires for circuit racing and drag car racing.